Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Vans, and today we have for you a 2017 plate Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's very desirable, this one in the deep black pearl paint finish. It's the 150 PS model, 6-speed manual gearbox and Highline specification. This has only done 23,000 miles from new. It's a demo plus one private owner. And in beautiful condition all around. Paintwork's absolutely superb. You can see the deep shine on the black pearl paintwork. Lovely condition. If we notice anything as I go around, I'll point it out to you. There'll be the odd small stone chip, unavoidable at 3.5 years. But other than that, superb. 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels on it. Good tyres all round. Just recently been serviced a few months ago by Volkswagen. Full service history. Rear 6-seater as well, so got that extra seat in the front. Usual Highline specification with air conditioning, heated front screen, DAB radio and cruise control on the multifunction steering wheel. In the back, just as nice as in the front. It's got the 3 seats there with Isofix fittings. It's the 2+1 easy seat as well. So this does just come up nice and easy, allowing you access to the rear area. Absolutely perfect for either a day van or a camper conversion, with it having the single sliding door. Get all your units along the opposite side. And as you can clearly see, sort of walking around it, it doesn't look like it's been used as a work type vehicle, much more as a leisure one. Glazed tailgate at the back, got the rear parking sensors and carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. And now in the rear is a blank canvas for if you want to carpet line it or just leave it as it is. But in really good order, not all horrible and scratchy. You got a couple of little marks just here from loading stuff in. And exactly the same over here. Panels all look, well, superb. Arches look great. And the floor itself, very good order. It's got the high level Sportline rear spoiler, just adds a little something to it. You can have a look at it from the side profile. Stands really well there. Now, of course, if you do want it modifying, we can add alloy wheels, lowering springs, sidebars, etc. Just ask us about that if that's something you'd be interested in doing. We'll show you down the line of the vehicle here. Totally dent free. Not had any paintwork at all down those sides. Really nice and straight lines and great finish to the paint. Seats all in super condition. And mileage today, 23,691 miles. It'll come with 6 months AutoGuard premium warranty as standard. We can upgrade that for you to cover high claim limits and up to 3 years. We'll have a fresh MOT also. So it'll be fully ready to go. We do take part exchanges and we can offer very competitive finance facilities. So if you're interested, please get in touch with us on email or give us a call and we'd be delighted to talk to you. Thanks for watching.